relevant creation to be taken into account to decide which faction is the real political party. In the present matter, the legislative majority is undisputed. The respondents claim that Ajit Pawar faction had the support of 41 out of 53 MLAs is not disputed by the petitioners. Even otherwise, the resolution dated 30th June 2022 passed by the Ajit Pawar faction shows that prior to joining the government, Ajit Pawar faction outnumbered the Sharad Pawar faction. It is also imperative to note that the very fact that the Sharad Pawar faction has filed disqualification petitions against 41 MLAs of the Ajit Pawar faction itself indicates the numerical strength of each faction. Further, the respondents' assertion that they have majority in the Legislative Assembly of Maharashtra, Legislative Council of Maharashtra and Legislative Assembly of Nagaland has not been disputed by the petitioners. It is made clear at this juncture that affidavits annexed by the respondents to the affidavit in lieu of examination in chief of Shri Anil Bhaidas Patil RW2 was not taken on record and thus not relied upon for my finding that prima facie Ajit Pawar faction had the legislative support. The respondents' assertion that even the vote share secured by the legislators supporting the Ajit Pawar faction is sustainably large than the legislators supporting the Sharad Pawar faction is also not disputed by the petitioners. It is to be also noted that the petitioner has not claimed legislative majority in the manner and has not even attempted to demonstrate it. Thus, in view of the above, I hold that preliminary issue as to which faction is the real political party is discernible from the legislative majority which existed when the rival factions emerged. Further, I hold that the Ajit Pawar faction had an overwhelming legislative majority when the rival factions emerged. Final conclusions on the preliminary issue. Thus, in view of my findings that the party constitution and leadership structure, organizational structure does not provide any reliable outcome to the question which faction is the real NCP political party, and consequently these cannot be yardsticks to determine which faction is the real political party, and to the legislative majority provides a clear and reliable answer to the question of which faction is the real NCP political party, I hold that the Ajit Pawar faction is the real NCP political party for the purposes of these disqualification petitions. Issue number 2. Have the respondents incurred disqualification in terms of paragraph 21A of the 10th schedule for the Constitution on account of their acts, omissions and or conduct? Now, with regards to this second issue, it's common again to the extent of the contents to group 1 and group 2. However, considering the importance of this issue, I may read it out in the second order as well, second group as well, even at the cost